Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by powering the Scorpio and wireless pad. You must plug its cable into the 12V socket or the USB-C power outlet. You do this first because the pad needs a stable 510W input to align charging coils. Once powered, ensure your phone supports Qi wireless charging and that any thick case or metal objects are removed. These block transfer efficiency. Position the pad where the car's center console allows flat contact and make minor adjustments until the pad LED indicates standby. Now place your phone on the Scorpio N pad and focus on alignment. The phone's charging coil sits roughly in the middle of most models, so center it. You will know it's working when the pad's LED changes color or the phone beeps. These signals confirm energy transfer. If charging is intermittent, slide the phone slightly forward or back to re-establish coil overlap. Also make sure the phone isn't overheating. Good airflow and a non-insulated surface keep charging efficient and safe during longer trips. Finish by securing your phone so movement doesn't break the connection. Use a non-metallic holder or soft adhesive pads. If charging fails, systematically isolate the issue. Try another USB adapter, a different cable, or a second phone to tell whether the pad or phone is at fault. One quick troubleshooting step that often works: reboot your phone and unplug, then replug the pad's power to reset the pad. If the pad still won't charge, check for firmware notices from the car or consult dealer support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.